When you've got a growing list of contacts, finding the right person fast is everything. Whether you're prepping for a call, reviewing a deal, or picking up a thread after a long gap, you shouldn't have to scroll or guess. BIGContacts makes it easy to search, filter, and view contact info in just a few clicks. Let me show you how. With Quick Search and Timeline View, you can pull up the full relationship history without bouncing between tabs or tools. Quick Search puts everything you need at your fingertips. Type a name, company, email, even a keyword like proposal or invoice, and your results appear instantly. And when you've recently viewed a contact, they're just one click away in your recently viewed list. Perfect for busy days when speed matters most. Timeline View gives you a clear picture of every interaction with a contact. This gives you a clear, chronological list of meetings, calls, notes, emails, tasks, perfect for catching up before a follow-up or handoff to a teammate. Filters make it easy to slice your database exactly how you need it. You can instantly refine contacts by type, tag, assigned rep, or even custom fields like region or status. This ensures you're always focused on the right group without endless scrolling. Quick and easy access to contacts means faster follow-ups, smoother conversations, and stronger customer relationships. When you can instantly see who said what and when, everything flows better. If this helped, hit like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more such insightful walkthroughs of BIGContacts CRM.